And we'll all count it down in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, let's talk trends and numbers. Over on the second seeded alliance, they've trended down to 51 points, down from their previous 82. The fourth seed has trended up to 53 from their previous 28. This is what proponents of the double elimination bracket say. It gives teams the chance to build momentum, synergize, and create a long-term strategy instead of being eliminated immediately. And we are seeing evidence for that here. With 2 minutes to play, our underdogs, our upsetters, our fourth seed are up 25-21. Now it's a tie ball game, excuse me. Blue Alliance looking to stay alive. Since their first match, they've adopted a traffic control strategy. They've got 2 machines by the source now queued up. They're going to try avoiding that. They've been using 2 in, 1 out, making sure there is never more than 1 robot in front of the source at a time, not to overwhelm their human player. And that worked out extremely well with their production in the last match. Let's see if they can keep that going. Over on the red side, Alliance 2 unfortunately faltered a bit. Their production in the first match was 72 points unpenalized, but because of an issue over by their subwoofer in the previous match, that number dropped by about 30 or so. They're on pace to reach their old form, though. It's 41 of all as we get into the final minute of play. Over on the red side of the field, 63-52, going to attempt to fire. No amps for the red side, but that's still a solid 4 points in order to push them ahead in this step-for-step slap fight. 2375, unfortunately, has a game piece stuck underneath, and they get it, taking care of that issue. They're attempting to get the first note required for them to amp and make their shot-for-shot points equal to 5. That guitar riff equals the final 20 seconds in the end game. These teams are going to have to figure something out. 60, the Bulldogs are in the air. 77-55 is going to try joining them. This is coming down to the wire. Red doesn't get a robot in the air. That might make the difference as we play down the stretch here, folks. The Red Alliance breaking the tiebreaker with auto points. The Red Alliance barely survives to get its rematch with the first seed.